To install FastAPI in Visual Studio Code, follow these steps. Install Python. Before installing FastAPI, ensure Python is installed on your system. You can download it from python.org. After installation, check the version by running the following. Install VSCode. Download and install Visual Studio Code from VSCode's website. Install Python extension in VSCode. Open VSCode and install the Python extension from the Extensions Marketplace. Press Ctrl+Shift+X. Search for Python and click Install on the official extension by Microsoft. Create a virtual environment. It's recommended to use a virtual environment for Python projects. Open the terminal in VSCode and run the following. Activate the virtual environment. On Windows. On macOS or Linux. Install FastAPI and UVcorn. Install FastAPI and UVcorn using pip. Create a FastAPI application. Create a new Python file and write your FastAPI code. Here's a simple example. Run the FastAPI application. Start the FastAPI application using UVcorn.